Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and leave a like. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how you can get My AI on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Snapchat app. Make sure it is updated to the latest version. We use the iOS app to access My AI, but it should also be available on Android phones. Step 2. Tap on the chat tab. You can see it at the bottom of your screen. It looks like a chat bubble as shown in the video. Or you can just swipe right from the camera tab. Step 3. Choose My AI. Now after doing step 2, you should be on the chats tab. And as you can see, there is My AI. It should be at the top of your list of chats. Now, if you tap on it, it will lead you to My AI chat box. In here, you can ask any questions you want. You can also edit your AI. In here, you will see Customize Bitmoji, change its name. Congratulations! You've learned something new again today. I hope I helped you on how to get My AI on your Snapchat. If you want to learn more, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching!